Hi friends, welcome to Mr. Solar YouTube channel again. In this video we are going to talk about what is percentile. Okay guys, before we continue with percentiles, I hope you are aware about what is median is about. So median is nothing but guys, median is the middle value of a particular data set. In this chart, as you can see 7 data points: office shoes, casual shirts, and trousers, tuxedo, denims, and t-shirts. This is the movement of fashion sales domain in month of January in menswear category. So in this data set, median is the middle value, which is nothing but median, is 2000 guys. As you can see, if you count it, for this is already sorted in ascending order. So when we find out the middle value, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we have 7 data set, which means the middle value will be in the fourth position. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, so this is the middle value guys. This term is also called as 50th percentile. The median is nothing but guys, it is 50th percentile of a particular data set. Okay, hope you get that guys. Okay, so similarly there is a other term called quartiles, which is nothing but when we divide the data set into equal 4 parts, which is 1/4 of the data. When we divide the data set into 4 equal parts, that is called quartile. Okay, so similarly guys, when we divide the data set into 5 parts, equal 5 parts, that term calls guy quantile. Okay, so then again, when we divide the particular data set into 10 equal parts, that is called decile. Okay, hope you get that. Okay, similarly the percentile is when we divide the data set into 100 equal parts, that is called percentile. Okay, hope you get that. Okay guys, let's come to a real world example of percentile. So suppose you are the 4th tallest person in a group of 20 in your classroom. You are the 4th tallest person. Okay, which satisfies, that means 16 students are shorter than you. Okay, that means you are at the 18th percentile. Okay, I'll show you in future what is the percentile formula. So it has been calculated. The data set is 20, total data set is 20. So you are the 4th tallest person, which is nothing but 16 students is shorter than you. Okay, so when 16 divided by 20 multiplied by 100, nothing but 18th percentile. Okay, that's how 18th percentile came. If your height is 1.85 meters, then 1.85 meters is the 18th percentiles of 80th percentile height in that group. Okay, hope you clear that. Okay, let's simplify the words. A percentile is a number on a scale 0 to 100 that indicates how a specific value compares against others within a particular context. So it can represent grades, physical conditions, or any other quantifiable properties. So what is the highest percentile rank? Okay, highest percentile rank is guys 100th percentile, which is nothing but maximum value of the data set. Okay, let's come to this example. So highest percentile, which is nothing but 100th percentiles, will be guys this guy. This guy is the tallest guy in this group. Okay, the 20th number will be the 100th percentile in this 20 group of people guys, which is nothing but the 20th position guy will be the 100th percentile height. Okay, hope you get that. So what does the 18th percentile mean? So if a number is 18th percentile, it means that 80% of the values in the data set are less than or equal to this number, the remaining 20% of the data set is greater than or equal to 18th percentile value. So let's go to a height example. So as you can see, 80% of the data set is shorter than your height. Okay, but 20% of the data set is equal or greater than to your height in this example. Okay, hope you get that. Okay, this is the formula for calculating percentile rank, guys, where PR equal L divided by N multiplied by 100, where PR is the percentile rank. It can take values from 0 to 100, and L is the number of values from a set that are lower than or equal to your data values, and N is the total number of values in a data set. Okay, which is nothing but when let's go to a percentile height example. Okay, let's go to the example height example to visualize the function percentile rank functions. As you can see, 16 divided by 2 multiplied by 100, which is nothing but, guys, 18th percentile. Okay, the answer is 18th percentile. Okay, percentile. Okay, when we go to the height example, the 16 students are shorter than your height. Okay, which is nothing but L. Okay, so total number of data set, what is total number of data set? It is 20. Okay, that is L divided by N. Okay, and multiplied by 100, the answer will be 80, which is 18th percentile. Okay, hope you get that how the formula works. So let's solve some questions in order to get the full idea of percentile. So question number 1, Imran uses dry ice to pack ice cream for shopping. The dot plot shows the density in kilograms per cube decimeter of 15 blocks of the dry ice Imran uses. Okay, so the question is, which of the following is the closest estimate to the percentile for a block of the dry ice with a density of 1.5 kilograms per cubic decimeter? Okay, so in here you can see that the 1.5 data point is reside here. Okay, let me show you the answer will be, guys, 86th percentile. Let me show how the calculation is made. So the question was, which is the following is the closest estimate to the percentile for a block of dry ice with the density of 1.5 per cubic decimeter. Okay, then here you can see how many data points we have. 1.5 or below, 13 data points. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we have 13 data points that are less than or equal to 1.5 kilograms per cubic decimeters. Okay, so how many total data sets we have? 15 data sets. As said in the question, we have 15 blocks. Okay, so when we apply the percentile formula given here, percentile rank equal to L divided by N multiplied by 100. L is nothing but the data points that are less than or equal to 1.5, and total number of data set is nothing but 15. Okay, 15 blocks. When we apply the calculation formula, the answer will be 86 point something. Okay, then the answer will be 86th percentile. Okay, hope you clear that, guy. Okay, let's come to the second question, guys. Okay, guys, let's see the second question. The histogram summarizes the ages of 1000 students at a Nova college. Okay, we have 1000 students in the ages ranges from 15 to 50 years. Okay, so the question is, what interval contains the 40th percentile for this data set? Okay, what intervals? Intervals is 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 35 to 40. The what interval contains the 40th percentile of this data set. Okay, so let's solve the question, guys. Let's think. So how many students with age ranges from 15 to 50 years? Obviously it is 1000 students. We have 1000 students data set in this group. Okay, guys. Okay, so then 40th percentile position of the students ages when we ascending order will be 400, which is 1000 multiplied by 40 divided by 100. That is the reverse function of percentile rank. Okay, that is how we are the percentile rank decided. Okay, we are the 40th percent is decided. When we ascending order, it will be in 400th position. Okay, hope you get that. So in order to show you how the frequency distribution works, let me divide this into 5 parts, guys. So assume that the first 100 student age resided 15 years. Okay, then the second 100 student age resided 16 years. Okay, for the simplicity. For third 100 students age resided 18 years. Okay, then fourth 100 student age resided 20 years. So we have 1000 data set. Okay, we have 1000 data set, but I'm showing here only 500 data set because I just want to show you what is the 40th percentile. So as I said you earlier, from the 1000 data set, 400, which means 40th percentage value is 400. Okay, then 400 students are less than or equal to the 40th percentile. Okay, which is nothing but when we come to the answer, this is the 400 is reside at 40th percentile value. Okay, so then the range will be 15th to 20th because 40th percentile value is nothing but 400. Then the range is 15th to 20th interval will be contain the 40th percentile data. Okay, hope you clear that. Okay, so let's come to the next question, guys. So the next question is, an auto repair shop records how far each vehicle they receive has been driven. Okay, the data for their most recent 23 vehicles is shown in the histogram below. Okay, so the question is, what interval contains the 83rd percentile for this data? Okay, so intervals is nothing but, guys, as I said in the previous questions as well, this is the intervals: 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 200 to 250. So this question asks, guys, what interval contains the 83rd percentile for this data? The answer is simple, guys. 200 to 250 will be the answer. Okay, how the answer will come? Let's see. So total dataset ranges from 1 to 300 kilometers driven vehicles will be 23. Okay, as said in the example. Okay, then 83rd percentile position of from this 23 vehicles, 83rd percentile position of the vehicle when we ascending order them would be 19th position. Okay, the answer derived from 23 multiplied by 83 divided by 100. 83 is nothing but this 83rd percentile, which the answer is looking for. Okay, when we calculate the function, the answer will be 19. So the similarly that says that the 19th position is the 83rd percentile value. Okay, okay, let's simplify the answer using this example. Suppose this is the frequency distribution. Okay, the kilometers 0 to 50, there are 3 vehicles. So 50 to 100, there are 4 vehicles. So 100 to 150, there are 5 vehicles. So 150 to 200 kilometers, there are 6 vehicles. So similarly 200 to 250 kilometers, there are 3 vehicles. So in cumulative distribution, there are 3, 7, 12, 18. Okay. So where our position is at 19th position. Okay. As you can see, when 0 to 50 kilometers vehicles, there are 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. When the cumulative distribution take place this 18, so then after that only the 19 came. Okay. So then we can assume that 19th position is reside at 20th to 250,000 kilometer range. Okay. Hope you get that. Okay guys, now we have solved 3 questions related to percentile. I hope you all understand the concept, and don't worry guys if you are not familiar with this, because you will get to know this when you get used to this more and more. Because if you are watching this video first time, you will be curious, because the percentile is a little bit difficult term, that difficult to understand. But don't worry guys, when you go over, you will understand it clearly when you face more and more questions related to percentile. So in this video series, we are covering percentile and percentile if to solve real data analytic related problem. That's why I explain to this level. So when we are going to mathematics, so we can learn many things when we comes to statistics guys. Okay. So one thing I wanted to show you guys, there are certain calculation algorithms available for percentile. So there are this is the simplest, nearest rank method is the simplest version in calculating percentile. But in Excel and Pandas, usually percentiles has been calculated using interpolated methods. If you want to know about, if you are a mathematics guy, so you can search it on Google. You can go to Wikipedia and search about what is interpolated methods. So this is the simplest one guys, nearest rank method, simplest algorithm. There are many algorithms to calculate percentile guys. So I don't want to make this complex by explaining these algorithms, because you will get bored. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video guys. This is all about percentile for this video. So we'll be see you in next video.